Where's he going?
Where's he going? I think he's going home.
You got one on there? It went away? Whoa, there he is. Cool dude. What are you gonna do with him?
Where'd he go?
He's gone again? Oh, he's gone, Dad. Oh, whoa, he's not gone, Dad.
He's not gone. Dad's taking him for a ride.
Where do you think he's going?
Why are you taking him for a ride, Dave? Ask him. Why are you taking him for a ride? Oh, he's gone. No, he's not. Why are you taking him for a ride?
Brielle, how come you're not fishing?
Well, I don't want to.
No, what are you eating?
I got a fish.
Ooh, yummy. Awesome. All right, is he gonna go join his other friends?
No, over there is our family and
Can you take him off, Zach?
No.
Don't do that, man. We're gonna get messed up.
He's gonna get.
How many's in that bucket?
Whoa. Hey, there's some.
Whoa.
Whoa.
You wanna try to unhook him?
Yeah. Careful.
Grab the fish and hold his fins down so they don't poke you. The fins on the back are the ones that'll poke you, so you want to hold them flat.
I think you have to show him, Dad. Hold it down with your other hand.
I get it.
Dad, you gotta show him.
Fish.
Huh?
Dad's
Dad's got a fish.
What the? You're gonna have to do both
Just
of
try to
them, Dad.
pull that hook out of his mouth,
You're
honey.
doing both of them. Well, there
You can do it.
Daddy, you want to take him for a ride? You want to take him for a ride?
Like this, Dave. Look at me. You want to grab his back fin and hold it flat, like that. And he can't poke you.
I don't
Dad, you
think
gotta
he
show
likes it, Dad.
Watch this. You grab his back fin and hold it flat like that, and then you just push the hook out.
The corn is still there.
Awesome job.
I think all those fishes are being good.
Are we gonna fish again or are we gonna go?
I think they're being
All right.
good, Dad.